All right, you probably clicked on this video because you got a Metamask, you're newer to DeFi, or you're pretty well experienced in DeFi, but you're having some glitches with your Metamask. It happens all the time, still happens to me. These are just some solutions that I've found that I'm sharing with you so you guys can use it for yourselves. I compiled several videos that I made for Metamask and we put it together in a mini marathon, I guess you can call it. It's really not that long of a video. But I'll put timestamps in the description below so you guys can click through. If you guys enjoy this content, like, subscribe, bell button, really helps the channel. If you guys like more videos like this, leave a comment below, tell me what you guys think, and let it roll. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to solve the Ledger to MetaMask internal JSON-RPC error. Guys, this was driving me nuts for like 3 hours, and I knew I wasn't the only one. I couldn't get transactions to go through. It wouldn't work on Uniswap. It wouldn't work on SushiSwap. It wouldn't work on any swap. It wouldn't work on any confirm. And I was thinking I have my ledger plugged in. It's saying, oh no, change the wire. Oh no, you should refresh. You should restart your computer. You should do all this junk and eat a candy bar. And I'm like, what the pants, dude? It's still not working. Come on. And you contact MetaMask community and they do nothing. That's fine. I understand. That's how it works in crypto. If you need help, you need to fix it, well, you better get on your buns and go figure it out yourself. There's no one to call. There's no bank to call. So that's why I'm making this video. Let's go and explain it. How you guys solve it. This is the internal JSON-RPC error solved. By the way, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And that automatically entitles you to be in a drawing for $100 in BTC once a month. But you need to make the 3 requirements: like, subscribe, bell button, and leave a comment below saying, yeah, I subscribed. All right, guys, let's go and get into it now. So let me go ahead and replicate the error just so you guys can see what's going on. All right, so I'm going to replicate this with a swap with USDC and ETH to show you guys what happens. So I entered the transaction. The MetaMask thing already showed up and it went for the approval. And now I'm literally just waiting. It's not showing up on my ledger, so I'm just sitting here waiting. Come on, show up on the ledger. I've already done the 3 steps. First step, make sure the ledger is plugged in and make sure it's unlocked. Second step, oh, well, here's the error. You guys can't even see it. Daggone it. How do I explain this so you guys can see it? Yeah, basically it says failed transaction error. If you guys are having the error, you know exactly what it says. But basically what happens is it won't let the transaction go through. So 3 steps you need to make sure you've done. Unlock your ledger. 1. 2, make sure it's plugged in. Everything's functioning. 3, open the Ethereum app on your ledger. If you've already done all 3 of those steps, the next step is to go directly onto the Ethereum app. There's a button that says settings. So you'll have application is ready. You'll have version, whatever you have. And then you have settings. Double click on that settings. And there's a setting that says contract data allowed. Make sure that is allowed. So if it says not allowed, it's not going to work for you. That's the first step. Or not the first step, but those are the first steps. But I've already solved all those steps and I'm still getting the error. Well, what happened was with Brave browser and Google Chrome, they both had an update. And inside this, it talks about the JSON error. Here it is. What's new? Ledger support update for Chrome users. As of Chrome version 91, the API that enabled our ledger, you can enable Ledger Live supporting. Okay, I did all that. It didn't work. So this is how you solve it. You just open up or download Firefox, and you can run MetaMask on Firefox and do all your swaps on Firefox. I know it's an inconvenience, but this is something that's a quick fix until they get this solved. As you can see, guys, people are responding to this every day, every hour. They're like, hey, bro, what's going on? What's going on? You need some help. I need some help. Obviously, they're going to figure this out soon. If they don't, you can still make your swaps, keep your farms from being liquidated on a different browser like Firefox. And this is exactly how you'll open it up on Firefox. Once you're on Firefox, you go to your MetaMask and you can go onto your Ethereum app, whatever you want to use. There's a setting right here where you connect hardware wallet. So this is if you already have the Ledger integration. You'll say Ledger, connect, it'll look for your Ledger. As long as it's locked and open, it'll automatically find your Ledger and you can upload it to this MetaMask. So now it pulls up a couple of different accounts. You can select the one that you want to use, and you hit boom, and then you hit unlock, and it'll put it on there for you. I'm not gonna do that because I've already done it and I don't want it on again. So I'm just showing you guys the different steps you guys need to take to fix the internal JSON RPC error. Thanks for watching, guys. If I brought any value to you guys, if I helped you with any problems that you had with your MetaMask, great. Hit me up with a like, subscribe, and a bell button, and leave a comment below saying you subscribed. This is going to be a super quick video, but just wanted to help you guys out because I was having this issue and I needed to get it fixed and needed to figure it out. So this is how you fix this issue. All right, so guys, let me go and show you guys the loading circle of death. All right, guys, so we got the loading circle of death right now. This is not cool. This is on Matic. I cannot make any transfers. I can't transact any funds. I can't basically tend the farms, as you can call it, on the Matic network. So this is not a lot of fun. Let me show you guys an example. So I enter the app. I'm just showing you guys like Sushi Swap, for example, or better yet, Quick Swap. Let me just show you guys Quick Swap. I'm trying to make a stinking swap, and I can't make a swap because my Matic thing is just busted. So here, let me swap my wrap Matic to Matic. Okay, let's do this. Max, unwrap. Oh yeah, it's not showing up. I got an issue. This literally stinks. So what do you do? How do you fix this? I got a stinking loading circle of death. Well, you need to add a new custom RPC. You need to re-add a different Matic, I guess you can say server, because they have different nodes. Well, not server, it's called a node. So maybe this node is down at this time. I'm not too sure. But when you put in a custom RPC, okay, I need to switch networks to get off this. All right, so let's go on Robson so we can do this junk. All right, so you see this section right here where it says new RPC URL, chain ID, etc. This is where you're going to need to add a new network. So what I did is this is the Matic network that I added. Now, after I added it, it lets me use it. Boom. Now I can make the swap. Basically, what I needed to do was add a new RPC. So let me show you guys on the Matic section. So this is the new Matic mainnet. This is the one that I set up and that I linked up. So now I can go ahead and unwrap my tokens. So all I had to do was add the new custom RPC. I can make the swap, and it works now. That's it, guys. Now let me show you guys how to add the new RPC. That's probably what you're asking about. I'll leave a link in the description below. But basically, you just do custom RPC and type in all this information here. The reason why this is different is because I have this HTTPS RPC-matic.mainnet or mainnet.matic.network. So it's a little bit different than the other RPC. They do have other RPCs, but this is the one that is currently working right now. So if you're having the same issue I was, type in this junk. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you guys need to know how to do it, super easy. You click on Metamask, you go here, scroll down, custom RPC, type in that junk, hit save, and your funds will still show up on the Matic mainnet even though the other one is not working. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys liked the video, if I helped you guys out in the issue that you may have been having, make sure to smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Metamask error and ledger integration. So in my previous video, I showed you guys you need to download the Firefox app and go ahead and go about it that way. But they've made more updates, so now they have a solution for the Chrome browser. Thank goodness. All right, guys, we'll explain it. It is still a little bit clunky. Hopefully they fix this junk because I hate doing it this way. Anyways, guys, there are a couple things you need to have. You need to make sure Ledger Live is installed on your computer. This video will be super quick. It'll only be 2 minutes long. If you guys are new to the channel, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And make sure you leave a comment below that you subscribed. If you do all 4 of those things, you'll automatically get thrown into a drawing for $100 in BTC. All right, guys. So let me show you how to do this. So you guys have probably seen this alert when you go on your Metamask. Ledger supporter updates, whatever. You need to enable Ledger Live support by clicking Settings, Advanced, and Ledger Live. So we're going to replicate this issue of what is going on. So I'm going to go to Settings. So this is in the Settings, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to Advanced. And then I'm going to replicate it as if Ledger Live is off. So now I'm going to try to just make the transaction as normal. So I'm just going to say, hey, I'm going to stake whatever this is, and we'll just stake it here. So stake more, and we'll do Tugway. This is on XDAI, guys. This isn't on Ethereum, so don't go nuts. And I just submitted the transaction to the approval to my ledger. It is not showing up. It's not even going to show up on my ledger. You guys probably can't see it, but the error is up here. If you guys can see my mouse, it is up over here. It's basically just saying, hey, you could not verify it on your ledger. Sorry, the transaction cannot go through. Just wait like 10 more seconds and the error will show up. All right, so it says error, couldn't be verified, whatever. Okay, awesome. So now let me show you guys the fix. All right, guys, whatever, awesome. So let me show you guys the fix now. So go to MetaMask. We're going to go under this little circle button up here. So it's got like that color junk. And then we're going to hit Settings. We're going to scroll down to Advanced and scroll all the way down. So like forget all this state logs, reset account, and all kinds of garbage. This section that says Use Ledger Live, pop that joker on. All right, so that joker is now on. So now we're going to retry this transaction. And I'm going to stake this stake into stake. All right, so we're going to stake this. I'm going to say Tugway. And we're going to show you that it works. Now it's going to automatically do it. I'll pop up, open Ledger Live. It's going to pop it up. I'm going to say open. It'll open the device bridge, and it'll bridge to my ledger. So now it comes onto my ledger. Now I'm going to say accept and send. And guys, it'll allow it to go through now. We go back onto the XDAI stake. And 3, 2, 1. Boom! Confirmed. Success. So that's it, and when you're done, make sure you disconnect the bridge. Bridge session is over, and you can close out Ledger Live. Guys, that's it. That's the fix. Super easy to do. It is a little clunky. I don't like how it is so clunky, but anyways, guys, you get what you get. Don't throw a fit. Guys, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, bell button, hit that subscribe notification, or bell button notification, and leave a comment below saying you subscribe. I'm going to show you a cool hack with MetaMask. I'm going to show you how to add tokens that you claimed, farmed, or swapped or traded for that are not showing up in your MetaMask. If you guys already know how to do this, well, I'm going to show you guys how to do it on different chains as well, so not just Ethereum. So guys, I highly recommend you guys stay tuned. All I'm asking for is 3 minutes of your time. By the way, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, bell button, and leave a comment below saying you subscribe to the channel, and you will automatically be thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC every month. How do you beat that, bro? It's free BTC. Just leave a comment saying you subscribe and do those other 3 things, and it's like no brainer. Jeez. Not financial advice, but why would you not get free money? Anyways, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. This is one of the solutions that I found. I'm just going to show you guys an example. So right now I'm farming on SushiSwap. So I'm on the Matic chain. I know how to do this on Ethereum. I know how to do this on several other chains as well. But this is a cool hack. So I am farming my sushi, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let me just open up the MetaMask. Okay, harvest. Great. I got it. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to open up my MetaMask wallet. Now I'm going to open it up, and all I see is Matic, Aave, USDC, Polyzap, and DAI. What the pants? Where's my sushi? I know my sushi is in there. I just claimed it. Well, guys, check it out. It's okay. This is what you do. You go on CoinGecko. I'm going to go to sushi, and I'm going to get the contract address. So you can go directly onto the actual Etherscan or not Polyscan, but Magilscan, which is for Matic, or Binance Chain or Binance Scan, which is BSC for Binance. But this is a cool hack and an easy way to do this. See this 3 bars right next to this? Let me zoom in for you guys so you guys can see it. Boom, we're going to hit those 3 bars. Look, we got an option. We can do Polygon, we can do Phantom, we can do Harmony, or you can go to chainless for wallet network info, etc. This will give you the other networks as well. But look, these are the different chains we can use. So fine, I want to add it for Polygon. Boom, I just click the Fox button, add token. Boom, my sushi is there. Wow, what the pants? I got my sushi now. Awesome. So guys, that's how you guys can do it. And if you guys ever want to know what kind of tokens you have in your wallet, all you got to do, depending on the chain, you just go to Etherscan or Binance Chain or any of the chains itself, and you copy your wallet address. So let me go ahead and show you guys. I'm on Etherscan right now. I'm going to swap to this chain. I have no tokens on here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this address and show you guys. So search, and that's really how you can look up an address and see what tokens are on there. This is really just a dummy wallet, guys, so that's why nothing is on there. But if you ever want to sign or find any other token addresses or anything that's on there, all you got to do is copy and paste an address. So like, for example, I want to see what tokens this guy has. So whatever address this is, I don't know who it is, he's got some, good for him, he's got some SHIB tokens. Come on, dude. No, don't get them SHIBs. All right, guys, but you guys understand the concept. You guys get it. But anyways, guys, that is the Metamask kit. Today we're going to show you guys how to configure the Matic network on Metamask. All right, so how do we add Matic on Metamask? Guys, this is super easy to do, not complicated at all. But you go to your Metamask, and once you open this stuff up, we're not going to link that, and you hit this section right here. So this little drop-down menu right here, click that sucker. Now you gotta, I already added the Matic network, so I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. You're gonna hit custom RPC. So now you scroll down, and all this information here, Matic network, 137, Matic, you're gonna put that all in here. You can't really do it, because like, look, if you try to copy it, it goes away. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can do that with copy and paste. But obviously this is just a screenshot, so you can't really copy and paste. And you are just watching this video, so you can't really copy and paste. So this is how you can do it when you go to copy and paste it. I'll leave a link in the description of all this RPC information, or I'll just leave a link where you guys can find out the address. So this is a quick trick how to do it. You hit Metamask, you see these little three dots, you're going to do expand view, and that's going to open up a whole new web browser for you, and this is where you can go ahead and add the networks. So like, you'll have this expanded view, you do custom RPC, and you can add all the junk that you want. Pretty easy to do. And then once you add in all those symbols, like I said, we'll do here, you'll configure on the Metamask. Alright, so here's going to be a link where you can copy and paste the junk. So I'll leave a link in the description to go here. You're literally just going to hit copy, like this, go here, paste, and then go back and forth. So anyways, guys, you guys can understand the concept. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for joining. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. If I helped you guys at all please help me out with a smashing with the like. Proverbs chapter 29 verses 26. Many seek an audience with a ruler, but it is from the Lord one gets justice. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.